Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fulfill orders on Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So fulfilling your orders in Shopify can be confusing if you're fairly new in Shopify. So for example, you're just starting up and you want to test the fulfillment process in Shopify. Well, this one is pretty simple. So first thing that we have to do here is we first have to make sure that we actually set up our payment method. So at the bottom left of your screen, go to settings, and from here you want to go ahead and click on payments. Now by here, if the country is eligible, you'll be able to use Shopify payments, but since we're just testing this one out, you could use the bogus gateway here. So go ahead and click on the other payment section here, or add a payment button there, and just look for bogus gateway. So this one is pretty easy, straightforward. Just add bogus gateway, and once you've done that, next thing you have to do here is ensure that you have a product that you could actually test and buying. So in this case, I actually add a sticker here that we will be using as a means of fulfilling our orders. Now, once you've done that, we need to visit our website. So in this case, let's go to online store here and click on the view your online store option. And from here, we have to go to the ordinary process. So if you're familiar with buying items online, what you need to do here is go to that item. And from here, you want to add this to your cart. Now, in this example, maybe we want to add 3 stickers into our cart here. Just click on add to cart, and the pop-up here will appear. So in this case, if you're using the default theme here, which is the Dawn theme, you could go ahead and just click on the shopping bag or cart icon here. So if you click on that, it's the same thing. You'll be able to see your cart. And if you want to check out, just click on check out here. And from here, you need to fill out a few details. So that includes your contact information, the delivery address here, as well as the payment. So the payment section, some details of for this one is going to be quite specific. So I'll be showing you what details you should be entering. For testing payments, but if your store is already live and you're already someone is ready to use it, it's pretty simple. The payment method section here doesn't matter. But yeah, so go ahead and enter all of those details. So I'm going to fill out all the details here that I need just to give you overview, and in here just to add an address here. And from here, for the card number, you could input 1. Expiration date, it doesn't matter. Just go ahead and enter any date here because we are using a bogus payment method here. Security code is going to be 111. And from here, name on card, you could go ahead and just type in bogus gateway. And once you've done that, you go ahead and click on pay now. So if the details are correct, it's going to basically accept that, and it's going to say thank you. Now let's just go back here in our store. So right now, when we go to orders, you should be able to see this order here. So currently, the fulfillment status of this order is unfulfilled, but the payment status is already paid. So how do we change this to unfulfilled to fulfilled? As you can see here on the bottom section of my screen. So in this case, let's go ahead and open that up. Now let's say, for example, you have a business for drop shipping. So what we need to do here is we need to add a few details about this one. Like for example, if you want to create a shipping label for your product, you could go ahead and click on the button here, create shipping label. And from here, you could go ahead and add presets, package and weight if you want to add that. And from here, like for example, add package here, like for example, box envelope, length, width, height, centimeters, and weight as well. Or the carrier package here, you could go ahead and choose that. But once you've added those, let's just go back here. You also have the option to print packing slip. So the whole packing method here actually depends on what system or what service you're using. So it depends on your whole process. But if you want to print your packing slip, just click on this one, print it out, add this to your package. And once you've done that, once you've processed that, what we need to do here is basically just go ahead and edit this one and just click on the fulfill item section here. So once you click on fulfill items, it's going to load up this UI here, wherein you need to provide the following details. So that includes the tracking number and the shipping carrier. So in this case, like for example, you just want to add 1, 2, 3 here, Just to give you an example, like for example, I use bonds as the shipping carrier here, and this is the tracking number for this specific customer. Now you could add multiple tracking orders for this one. So if you have like multiple packages in your order, you could go ahead and do that. We also have the option to send shipping details to your customer now if you want that. And from here, just click on the fulfill items. But for example, like a customer changed their address last minute, you could go ahead and edit this one if you want as well, as long as they contacted you. Now from here, just click on fulfill items, and automatically that item will now be fulfilled. So the whole process of fulfilling order here is pretty simple. It's straightforward. The only downside here is the packing method, your way of you interacting with your courier. Like for example, if you're using AliExpress or any other service, you just need to go ahead and process that. And once you got your tracking numbers, your other details that you need, the package itself was sent out by a courier, you should be good, and just click on the fulfill button, and that's it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.